In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a new page in LibreOffice Writer. To get started, open LibreOffice and launch Writer so you can work inside your document. This is a very simple task, but it's helpful to know the fastest method as well as an alternative menu-based option, especially if you prefer clicking through the interface instead of using keyboard shortcuts. Once your document is open, place your cursor exactly where you want the new page to begin. If you already know the point where the next page should start, click there first, then press Ctrl and Enter on your keyboard at the same time. As soon as you do that, LibreOffice Writer inserts a new page immediately. This is the quickest and most efficient way to create a page break, and it's ideal when you want to move the following content onto a fresh page without affecting the rest of your formatting too much. If you prefer using the menu bar, there's another built-in method you can use. Go to the top menu and click Insert. From there, hover over More Breaks and then choose Manual Break. A small pop-up window will appear with break options. In that pop-up, select Page Break, then click OK. LibreOffice will then insert a new page at the cursor position. Both methods do the same basic job, so you can use whichever one feels more comfortable. The keyboard shortcut is faster when you're editing quickly, while the menu option can be useful if you want to clearly see the page break settings before applying them. One important tip is to make sure your cursor is in the correct location before inserting the break. If the cursor is placed in the wrong spot, the new page may begin earlier or later than you intended. If that happens, you can simply undo the action and try again. This feature is especially useful when you're starting a new chapter, separating sections of a report, or making sure a title or heading begins on a fresh page. Instead of pressing Enter multiple times to push content downward, using a proper page break keeps your document cleaner and more professional. And that's all there is to it. You now know 2 easy ways to insert a new page in LibreOffice Writer.